Good morning, traders. We're looking at the 1 hour chart of the British pound versus the United States dollar, and I have created this Elliott Wave count, which I must again say that it is still a draft, but what I'm looking at here is a completed 5 wave move up to this point here with a slight truncation up here, and then I'm looking at one A B C for wave 2, and then 5 waves to the downside. This then is an A B C for wave 4, and another 5 wave move to the downside, like that's 1 2 3 4 5, excuse me. And this is ABC, although it looks like a strong bounce, which some may argue that it did a 5 wave move. And then, of course, I'm looking for wave C to the downside. This overlap in price action looks like a leading diagonal, like this, with 1 2 3 4 5, and this looks like a correction. And from there, again, we have a little choppy price action, which I believe that it is again some kind of a leading diagonal, this wave to the upside for 1 2 of a lower degree than this, a continuation to the downtrend for this expected wave C blue. The point here is I have drawn a few trend lines to make some points. First is this trend line, the very steep one, which was broken here, and made me believe that this was a trend reversal. I mean, this corrective trend, and the break below this 55 period SMA. Then we had a period of a battle between the bulls and the bears around those two SMAs, but the 144-hour SMA still holds. This thing here looks like a triangle, but the internals does not count very well as a triangle. So what I'm expecting here is a continuation of the downtrend. That would require a break of this trend line, but I see and I believe that this trend line up here provides or maintains the bearish momentum for the pair to actually do this breakout to the downside. We can also see that in the same way that this trend line holds the trend to the downside, the same does this trend line in the RSI. So in the sense that the RSI is capped by a declining trend line, and it is actually flirting with its neutrality level around here without being able to break above it, I'm expecting a continuation to the downside pretty soon. Thank you very much for watching. I'm closing this video fast in order to render it and put it online for you. Goodbye.